ancient ways and quiet pride by the Baltic Sea where we reside. Today we're here to sell it all and turn it to a shopping mall. Come on, come big and small. I want to tell you all, so come on, hear the call. Welcome to Estonia, living fast on the slowest lane. Welcome to Estonia, we don't sustain, we entertain. Welcome to Estonia, you never ever hear us complain to your face. The people here don't often smile unless you make it worth their while. Bread is black and spirit's clear. You never see a smell of tear. And we aside a country